Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on changing joysticks for your game controller. If you're experiencing stick drift or unresponsive joysticks, it's time for a replacement. Let's dive into the tools you'll need. Firstly, gather your tools. 1. A small Phillips screwdriver for removing screws. 2. A plastic prying tool to open the casing without damaging it. 3. A pair of tweezers for handling small components. 4. Isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Now, ensure you're working in a well-lit area to see all the small components clearly. Step 1. Disconnect the controller. Make sure your controller is powered off and disconnected from any devices. This prevents any accidental input during the repair process. Step 2. Open the controller. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the controller. Most controllers will have 4 to 6 screws, so ensure you keep them in a safe place. With the screws removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently separate the casing. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges. Step 3. Locate the joysticks. Once the casing is open, carefully identify the joystick modules. These are typically connected to the main circuit board with a few screws. Note how they are positioned, as you will need to place the new ones in the same way. Step 4. Remove the old joysticks. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the joystick modules. After removing the screws, gently lift the joysticks from their sockets. If they resist, double-check for any additional screws or clips holding them in place. Step 5. Clean the inside. Before installing the new joysticks, take a moment to clean the interior of the controller. Use isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This is also a good time to check for any other potential issues inside the controller. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with this process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 6. Install the new joysticks. Take your new joysticks and align them with the sockets. Gently press them into place and ensure they fit snugly. Replace the screws to secure the new joysticks to the circuit board. Make sure they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten and damage the components. Step 7. Reassemble the controller. Carefully align the casing back together, ensuring no wires are pinched. Replace all screws you removed earlier. Now, it's essential to test the new joysticks before closing everything up completely. Step 8. Test the controller. Before fully reassembling, connect your controller to your console or PC and test the joysticks. Make sure they respond correctly and there's no stick drift. If everything is working well, proceed to close the controller. If you find that you don't have the right tools, or if you prefer not to handle the repair yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to get your controller repaired. Step 9. Final cleaning. After confirming the joysticks are working, do a final clean on the outer casing using isopropyl alcohol to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Finally, place the controller down and admire your work. And there you have it. A complete guide to changing joysticks on your game controller. If you need a quote BFO. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.